Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Vijay the Analyst. Today we have started a new playlist, SAS Interview Question. SAS is one of the important and powerful software when it comes into data analytics. I hope the people who are seeing this video already aware of what is SAS. One of the important interview question asked in every SAS interviews. What is the difference between input and infile statement? Yeah, the definition is very simple. Infile statement is used to identify the external source, which means if we are importing any file, for example, for text file, CSV file, if we are importing any files from our local, we need to give infile. By this infile statement only, we can locate a particular external file. At the same time, if you want to describe the variable which is present in the infiles, which means I am having an employee table. In the employee table, I am having three different columns: first name, last name, and location. If I want to describe them as a character or else numerical value, I need to describe them only in the input statement. Very simple definition, right? Let me explain in the coding manner. Data employee infile. Let's assume the text path is the actual path of the employee table text file. Okay, let's assume in that way. Dot txt. After that, I'm giving a delimiter as pipe, followed by I'm giving a dst miss over. Along with that, I'm giving a first obvious value. I will tell you what is the use of every keywords. After that, I'm giving a input first name. Last name also I'm giving as a string, and finally I'm giving a location as a string. For example, if you are having any salary information or else any zip code or else any mobile number, if you want to make them as a numerical way, you can also do that in the same location. Like instead of dollar symbol, you can replace them with a dot, and finally dollar symbol, and run. Okay, this is the code which explains both infile and input. You can see infile we use to locate the particular text file, and input is used to describe the variables, which would be in a character, numerical, or else date value. Okay, I will explain what is the meaning of these things right now. Okay, maybe these things can also be asked in your interviews. Okay, delimiter is used to define what kind of separation is made in the particular variables. For example, if we are not having a delimiter as pipe symbol, there is a possibility you might have a tab delimiter, or else if it is a comma separation file, CSV file, you might have a comma over here. The DSD means treat two consecutive delimiter as a missing value. For example, if you are having a pipe delimiter at the two time, what it will do is it will treat these two delimiter as a missing value. Okay, we are right now we are having a two delimiters, so there is a missing value in between that. It should be considered in that way only. That's the reason we are giving DST. And miss over, what it will do is assumes each and every line in the particular file represents the one observation. After a end of the delimiter or else end of the statement, it will goes to next line, right? At the time, it will consider a single line as a one observation. Okay, and first obvious, I'm saying, for example, if I'm having a header in my text file, okay, like a first name, last name, location was already presented in my text file, I'm saying you should consider the values from the second observations. Observation means the number of records. Okay, these are the definition of the keywords which I have used in this. Okay, yes, see you in the next question. Bye bye.